What is up? What is up, guys? And welcome to another video. Today, watching the news and what is happening with the crypto market is just like watching a movie. I have my popcorn with me right now, and there are so much happening in the cryptoverse that is like watching a movie. So previously, Sam Altman was removed as the founder. He was the founder and the creator of Chat GPT or OpenAI. He was actually removed from the company. And today I saw a Twitter post from OpenAI that they are back. They are back in the team, and that was a sudden twist of story there for OpenAI founder. And of course, there was so much drama today in the market. ZZ Binance resigned as the CEO, or ZZ resigned as the CEO of Binance, and he was fined. Binance was fined by $4.3 billion. And I think ZZ was sentenced by 8 months. 8 months, guys. So let's go check. Let's go check what is happening with the overall crypto market. It's totally crazy out there, and let's see what's going on. So looking at the coin market cap today, recently I have shared the PY or PETH network. If you are in our Telegram group, I have shared this one, the listing of a PETH network in OKX. And today it was up by 28%. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful pump right there from PYX. This is actually the second crypto that I have shared in our Telegram group, guys. Previously, I have shared the listing of, or the listing of forget the name, T2T2. That was a pre-sale event in OKX, if I remember it right, or Bitget rather. That was one of the pre-sale event in Bitget, and I have made over 168% profit on that trade. So Bitcoin reacting on the Binance news. Ethereum is still going strong, still trading inside that bull flag pattern. Today I'm going to share with you the chart update for Ethereum. If you have watched my previous stream, the price bounced from the near the bottom, actually on that order block level, guys. So stay tuned for the rest of the video, and I'm gonna share with you some of the updates. Not a good idea to actually eat some popcorn during the stream, guys. Let me have some water here. All right, so Ethereum currently trading at 2023. BNB is down. Let's see if that 200 support level is going to hold. And if you have watched my previous stream, you know the target. If BNB breaks that support, guys, it's going to be nasty. So better be cautious with your trades, especially with the current market situation. The amount of liquidation in the past 24 hours is, wow, this is very thin. There's actually very thin volume in the market right now. Almost the same, guys, almost the same. Long positions has been liquidated. Majority of longs has been liquidated in Binance, amounting to $67 million. And in OKX, 71%, $43 million, followed by Bybit, 76%. Long positions has been liquidated in Bybit in the past 24 hours. And here's one of the article posted from one tweet posted by BitMEX Research. So ZZ will be allowed to live in the UAE while he awaits sentencing, guys. It was a very close call, quote unquote, as to whether he would be allowed to go back to UAE. ZZ had to speak himself to convince the court. ZZ must return to the USA 14 days prior to his sentencing. So ZZ himself appealed to the court if he can stay in UAE while he's waiting for his sentence, guys. And here's the reply from the court. The main issue here is the one on where you should live. And this is a very close call. But I tend to favor your position to stay in the UAE. I think everybody who appears in this court has always presented a risk of flight. There's been no one that I have released that did not present some kind of risk. But overall, guys, the court allowed him to stay in the UAE while waiting for his sentence. So I think that is also good for ZZ, so that he can chill out and relax while waiting for his sentence. But I don't know if he can relax. If you were in his place, I don't know, maybe he's stressed right now. So what do you think, guys? I think he's pretty stressed right now, going through hell. And of course, all of this FUD has been ongoing for several years now. So I think this would be the end of all the FUD and the beginning of something bigger, not only for the crypto market, but hopefully for Binance in the future. Another news here that you need to keep an eye on. Today, I have tested the withdrawal function of Binance. So far, it's working flawlessly. It's working fine. I have withdrawn some amount, and I have also tried the P2P, or the person-to-person transaction. I have sent it to my bank. It's working fine so far. But according to this post from Edo Farina, breaking: Binance wallets are being drained right now. What? So this is something that we need to keep an eye on very, very closely. If you have funds in Binance, in my own opinion, I have already tried to move out some of my funds. I have distributed my funds to different wallets. Cold storage is the safest for now, but I have distributed my funds to different crypto exchange like OKX, Bitget, and FairDesk. These are the crypto exchange that I'm currently using, guys. So users are withdrawing funds on fears of insolvency after a multi-billion-dollar settlement and criminal charges. The withdrawal request in Binance for ERC tokens and ETH are at the level of FTX collapse. So this is actually, but I think FTX is totally different scenario from what is happening right now with Binance, because Binance, so far, if you check the records in DeFi Llama, CEX records, they are holding majority 30% Bitcoin. So total assets in Binance right now is around $67 billion. And here's the breakdown of their assets. So 30% of their holdings are BTC, 11% or around 12% is BNB. USDT is also around 30%, and some of the altcoins here like SHIB, BUSD, mostly majority are stable coins. USDC, Link, Solana, XRP, Ethereum, 3%, TUSD and WETH, Polkadot 0.77%. But the amount of inflows is still very high. Today, I think it was around $1 billion for Binance. We can check here in DeFi Llama. So 24-hour inflow is around 1.24. So that is still going pretty smoothly for Binance so far. But again, I have moved some of my funds in other exchanges just for safety reasons. If you are in our free Telegram group, guys, so today I have mentioned here that I am moving my account out of Binance right now just for safety reasons. So don't put your eggs in one basket. I will be using exchanges below just to make sure I don't put all my eggs in one basket. So the second largest crypto exchange is OKX. So I will be moving some of my funds in OKX, moving some of my funds in Bitget, and some of it in FairDesk. If you want to use, or if you want to move out some of your funds, you can use my referral link in the description down below. Here are the crypto exchanges that I'm currently using. So according to this post, guys, you can see the amount of the transaction or the hash code. You can see here from this post that there are several transactions at around, how many billion was that? $1 billion. So at the current rate, it is right now on the same level as of the FTX collapse. Another news here, Binance had such lax controls over crypto transaction on its exchange that terrorists, hackers, and sanctions violators used it for years to move billions of dollars. So this is another FUD. It just keeps on going, guys. FUD after FUD after FUD. So hopefully Binance, ZZ, and the rest of the team will survive this FUD. If they're going to survive this FUD, I think they are going to be in the future one of the strongest and will be trusted by the majority of users in the future. Another news here, Genesis with a lawsuit against Gemini. Wow, so much. It's such a roller coaster ride in this week. All of this news is just hard to digest right now. The bankrupt crypto lender claims that during the 90-day period before it filed for bankruptcy, Gemini made a preferential transfers according to the court filing. So this is almost similar to what they're accusing with Binance and FTX. So according to FTX, Binance was the cause of its collapse because Binance or ZZ had announced the liquidations of their FTX tokens. And according to the court, that has caused the collapse of FTX. That was one of the cause. So this was the news that I was talking about earlier. Breaking: OpenAI will bring back Sam Altman and appoint new board of members after nearly all of its employees threatened to quit over his surprise ouster. So all of the employees was actually threatening to resign, guys, because they have called the I think the board have called Sam Altman through Google Teams, if I remember it right, and he was actually fired like 3 days ago, and now he is back and appointed by the new members of the board of directors. HTX and Heco cross-chain bridge undergo hacker attack. So another hack here happening in HTX. HTX will fully compensate for HTX hot wallet losses. Deposits and withdrawals temporarily suspended. All funds in HTX are secure, and the community can rest assured we are investigating the specific reason for the hacker attack. Once we complete the investigation and identify the cause, we will resume services. So another blow, guys, another blow in the crypto industry. So this is still, crypto is still very young. That is why we are seeing all of this news right now, all of the hacking. So this is still a very young industry that we're trying to mold and perfect in the future. So hopefully we can avoid all of this hacking attack in the future. So we'll just have to go through it because we are very, very early in this space. We're just like 2009. Bitcoin was created in 2009. So that was like 7 years old, 9 years old, less than a decade. Binance. Is it Binance or Binance? So look at this, guys. This is a funny clip right here.
Largest virtual
Binance.
Binance. And let me be clear. It's Binance.
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 Binance. And let me be clear. It's Binance. Binance. Binance.
Binance.
Let me be clear. It's Binance. All right. So hopefully Binance, whatever you call it, hopefully Binance can recover from all of this FUD and all of this bearish news right now. So let's go and check out CoinGlass, guys. Bitcoin is currently trading at 36,300. Later, I'm going to share with you the charts. And let's look for a possible good trade setup before we end this video. We still have 10 minutes left. All right. So crypto market RSI heat map, overbought area. Let's check the weekly time frame here. Still in the overbought area. And by the way, the fear and greed index is back to 67. So that drop yesterday or 2 days ago, I think that was just a breather, guys. So hopefully we are seeing a bounce right now. So after all of this bearish news in the market, after all the news, after all that is what is happening to ZZ and Binance and all the hacking and all these dramas, guys, Bitcoin is still holding very strong that 36,000 level. Ethereum is bouncing hard and it's about to break out from that bull flag pattern. So stay with me for the rest of the video and I will show you the charts. So on the weekly time frame, crypto market RSI heat map, most of the tokens and cryptos here are almost in the overbought area. Bros, Lit, Pindle, Ethereum is still here. We haven't seen Ethereum move yet. So most of the cryptos have already made like 100% gains, 200% gains. What else do we have? Lever is already in the neutral zone. I think last week it is in the overbought area. So we will see some reshuffle here and we might see some major correction in the coming months. But overall right now, crypto market is still in an overall uptrend. And by the way, before we proceed with the charts, guys, don't forget to smash that like and subscribe button. Subscribe to the channel if you want to stay up to date with my latest news and crypto market updates and trade analysis. And also, let's check the crypto derivatives visual screener. Majority are going on long. Uni is up today. Majority are also going long on Unify and Aave. Shorts are answering SNX as of the moment. So here, if you are, Bitcoin, this is actually one of the trades that was shared today in the in our Discord group, guys. So let's check this move right here. Bitcoin got rejected exactly on the 50 exponential moving average. So Bitcoin right now is hovering on this very critical support, guys. Let me show you the chart here. So we have a support trend line here. And right now, Bitcoin was trying to break this 50 EMA. So right now we have also a bearish divergence, double bearish divergence that is forming in the lower time frame. So I have announced, or I have tweeted, this bearish divergence last week that was forming in the on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, guys. So Solana and ETH chart, please. So let's check some of the chart requests before we end this video. So bearish divergence was forming on the daily time frame. And right now, looking at the smaller time frame, we also have a double bearish divergence here. So keep an eye on this very important level, guys. If this level fails to hold as a support, the next target will be 34,500. We have small or medium order block at around this level, guys. So, and also this is in confluence with the 200 exponential moving average. So this will be my trade setup here for short-term and possible swing trade at around this level, guys. But for now, as long as this support holds, we are still in an overall uptrend. So let's check how many percent is this move from the 50 exponential moving average. Around 1%. So if you are trading leverage using 100x, that's already 100 or 200% from this entry here. So this was shared today in our Discord, guys. Let me just find it. So for Bitcoin, this is still in an overall uptrend, but a major resistance that you need to keep an eye on will be 37,800. I have been talking about this level for several weeks on my stream, the 37,700 in the on the weekly time frame, guys. All right. So this will be the major resistance that Bitcoin needs to break. So for congratulations, starting to like low leverage 50x trade. Congratulations, one of our VIP here. So Solana, previous trade here, 340%, 408% BNB short position, 522 for BTC. Congratulations, Aja the Fixer. Ethereum short was also very good. 1000%, BNB short, Galford, WLD. And here are some of the trades that I have shared in the announcement section today. I'm just going to share it with you. We have very few viewers today. As what I've said, guys, I have moved some of my funds on OKX, Bitget, and FairDesk. Ethereum is about to break out, by the way, so I'm going to share with you the charts. This was the chart that was posted earlier when Ethereum was trading at around 1994, and currently Ethereum, I think, is trading at around 2000 level or above 2000 level. And today I have secured some profit on Polygon-matic trade. Beautiful trade. This was actually shared in our Telegram group earlier. So if you are here, this is a free public Telegram group, guys. So this was the Matic chart that also Solana head and shoulders pattern on the 4-hour time frame, as well as Polygon-matic. So this was the chart update, guys. I think I have Polygon right now. I'm going to share with you the latest chart for Polygon-matic. So I have shared this live on my Twitter account when the price was approaching this bearish order block here. And also, if you are in our Telegram group, this was the chart, guys. When Matic was trading at around 0.84, I was already preparing to go on a short position, guys. The same trade was posted in our Discord group, but with targets and with the entry price. So let me share it with you. This was the Matic trade, by the way. So this was the chart yesterday, and this was the original call, guys. Original call. So this was the Matic short 5x to 10x, entry 8645 to 8729, stop loss 8918, and here are the TP points for Polygon-matic. And here's the latest chart. Beautiful, beautiful trade. Let's check how many percent was that move from the bearish order block. 16% drop. Congratulations to those who were able to get into the trade. My phone is about to die here. Bonk also looks good. Let's try to find some trades before my phone dies here. So going back to Bitcoin, guys, let's finish this very quickly. So Bitcoin short-term support will be at around 34,600. If this doesn't hold, then this is going to be our next target here. And this is huge, guys. So that is why we need to keep an eye on this possible break of support, because if this doesn't hold, we have the next target, the 200 exponential moving average here, but we have a very thin support here. 4.6 thousand BTC is waiting to hold the short sellers on this level. If this doesn't hold, then we might see a possible another leg down. The next support, major support, key support level that we need to keep an eye on will be the 30,000 level. So that's for Bitcoin. Let's check. What do we have here? Ethereum, guys. Ethereum. So Ethereum right now is about to break out, and actually the MACD looks ready, guys. Looks ready. Look at this. MACD in the 4-hour time frame is ready to explode, and we have also a bullish divergence formation in the oscillator, guys, and we are just waiting for the volume to come in. This is about to break out. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fifth attempt to break this resistance level here. All right. So previously, if you're going to zoom this out, looking at the 4-hour time frame, this was the second bull flag here. Previously, we had a bull flag formation here with a 20% target from the support. And right now, this is almost the same, guys. 20% from the 200 EMA support in confluence with the support trend line. The price is still trading inside this flag pattern, parallel channel, and this is about to break out. This is going to break out anytime soon. Ethereum just needs to break all of this limit orders and order block level at around 22,000 up to 2,100 level. But if Ethereum manages to break this one, Ethereum is going to be explosive, guys. Short-term target that I will be looking at will be 2,300 level. This is going to be an easy target once we break this level. So that's for Matic, guys. Keep an eye on this chart. I'm going to share this in our free Telegram group. We had the setup ready in our VIP Discord. So let's just wait for it to play out. For Polygon Matic, same medium-term target that I will be looking at. Right now, this bullish order block will act as a resistance for Matic. So right now, no trade zone. We have to take profit from this trade. So congratulations if you were able to take advantage of this trade, guys. So let's check DYDX. We have Solana and Ethereum. So we are done with Ethereum. Let's check Solana. So this was the trade setup yesterday. So if you have watched my video, so what I mentioned yesterday, guys, we have seen this hammer candle. And I've explained to you that we have seen a breakout, guys, break of support here. So we have the support trend line. We have this head and shoulders pattern, break of support. In our yesterday stream, we have seen the break of support here. Break of support and retest. So short-term target was hit. Congratulations again to those who were able to get into the trade. And of course, we have a fair value gap at around 45 to 46 level. This is in confluence with the 200 exponential moving average. Just delete all of the, make the chart cleaner. So oscillator right now in the 4-hour time frame is about to bounce from the oversold area, but MACD is still looking weak, trading below, or the it is below zero right now. So I'm gonna wait for a possible revisit of this area probably. Right now this is in a middle trade, so same setup, let's check the price action once it reach the 56 up to 58.5 level. We still have this very high order blocks at around this level, guys. Let's check some of this news. Solana worth $10 million move to Binance is a sell-off brewing. So another information here, very important information. $10 million worth of Solana moved to Binance. So the major purpose of this, again, moving cryptos from cold storage, going into exchanges, is to sell, guys. So there might be possible sell-off. This was posted 16 minutes ago. Same level that you need to keep an eye on. 56 level. This 50-day exponential moving average is moving by the way. So at around this level, keep an eye when the price touches this level. I think right now we are seeing a resistance here, a sell pressure at around this area. The target for this head and shoulders pattern will be the 200 exponential moving average. Ideally, that will give us $46 target. Let's check DYDX last chart before we end the stream. We have two requests from Manpreet, and by the way, let's check how many viewers we have right now. And by the way, guys, don't forget to smash that like button. Help me help support the channel, and let's spread the news. Let's spread the news, guys. All right. So help me make like 20 likes today or 30 likes today. That would be great. I would really appreciate if we can reach around 30 to 50 likes daily. So let's check DYDX. BNB getting rejected from the 200 exponential moving average. I have discussed the chart of BNB yesterday. If you have missed the stream, feel free to check it out, guys. So we had a previous long at this level when BNB was trading at around this area, did not reach our final target, and right now we are seeing a bounce, guys. The oscillator in the 4-hour time frame, or the MACD, is looking bullish on the 4-hour time frame. Let me remove this previous chart, by the way. So for DYDX, major support for this uptrend will be this 200 exponential moving average. And let's check the possible targets. We have a fair value gap at around this area. So BNB could tap in to this level, guys, short term. DYDX to be integrated with Circle 7 days ago. Let's go check the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, the oscillator is in the overbought area, but this is trying to break out actually, guys. So possible we have a support trend line here. We have some noises actually. Right. So possible ascending triangle pattern. And right now, this is approaching the zone resistance, guys. Zone resistance on the weekly time frame. This area right here was the previous pivot point last May 2022. So weekly resistance level. Let's check the Fibonacci retracement. I think we can find better chart. We can use this as pivot. Swing high. It's too high. So DYDX, we have our Fibonacci retracement level here. The 61.8 will be in confluence with the fair value gap on the weekly time frame at around this area, but we still have this very high order block here. So if you have watched my previous analysis about Bitcoin, guys, I am still expecting a flash crash or a quick dip before the next bull market. So if you're planning to accumulate for long term, in my own opinion, it's better to wait for the last dip, guys. Last dip. There will be a last dip according to the previous price action. So if you want to accumulate for long term, you can DCA. I'm not suggesting to DCA at the current prices right now because most of the altcoins had already pumped by almost 100%, 200%, 500%, or even some have hit the previous all-time high like TRB and some of the major altcoins. So wait for the dip because in the bull run we'll just see everything just go crazy, especially most of the altcoins and micro caps. But for now, those micro caps might dip by almost 50 to 60% when we see a 20% correction for Bitcoin. So for DYDX, this is about to break the weekly resistance, guys, and the previous pivot point here at around 3.9 level. So this is a major resistance level that you need to keep an eye on for DYDX. But let's try to check the smaller time frame for a possible quick trades. So again, we are seeing a resistance here. Looking at the daily time frame, previous pivot point, 3.9 level, another rejection from this zone here last February. And right now, this is the third attempt to break this resistance, guys. Next target, just in case we DYDX breaks this level, guys, will be 5.4 up to $5 to 5.4 area. Support right now in the short term will be this 50 EMA on the daily time frame, and safer long entry point will be this area right here, support trend line. Eventually the price is going to revisit this support trend line, but for now this is still in an uptrend, and this was the previous resistance. This will now act as a support. We have a confluence here, 200 exponential moving average and 50 exponential moving average. Also, we have order blocks at around this level. So 2.4 up to 2.6 will be the key support level for DYDX. So for short term, this is still in an uptrend, trying to break this weekly resistance level, guys. So possible risk to reward ratio, if you're let's just check at the current price. So this is another 50% move that we're looking here on the daily time frame. But as what you can see, the oscillator right now is still looking weak, approaching the zero level here. MACD is still looking weak, pointing downwards. If you're going to check the 4-hour time frame, I would rather wait right now. I would rather wait right now for a better entry. This be a falling wedge pattern. Let's check the smaller time frames. So in the smaller time frame, guys, this is about to cross bullish here. But again, bearish divergence is forming on the 1-hour time frame. So short term, we could see a possible retest. This is already a breakout from this falling wedge, possible falling wedge pattern. This could be our long entry here, 14%, but the risk is too high. Let's just put it around here. That will be 7%. Ideally, the setup for this falling wedge pattern is your stop loss should be below this support trend line. the bottom of the wedge, and the target, ideal target, will be the top of the wedge, guys. So ideally, this will be the classic setup for this falling wedge pattern. So long on the retest of support. So this could be the next possible price action here. Breakout, retest of support near this 200 exponential moving average and 100 exponential moving average. By the way, 50 exponential moving average rather. By the way, this is a moving oscillator or moving average. That is why it's called moving average, guys. So this will move as time goes by. So possible entry at around this area right here, 3.26 up to 3.1 level, up to 3.1. Ideal breakout target will be 4.35 short term. We have resistance on this level. Resistance, previous pivot point. Ideal breakout target. That's for DYDX. So thanks for joining me today, guys. Again, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, leave some comments in the comment section down below if you have any suggestions, clarifications. I am reading most of your comments. So yesterday I've seen one comment that the intro is taking too long, so today I made it shorter, and possibly on the next day we'll not have any intros anymore. So thanks for joining me, guys. Have a good day, have a good night, and hopefully we'll not see any surprises in the market because market is going crazy. All right, so again, cheers. Trade safely, protect your assets at all times, and I'll see you on the next one.